setting up here. We're tired of being taken in the face by this here crew right here. Honor of the sinners. Company by. Looks like D-Man over there. Oh, it ain't D-Man. Oh, it's Jamie. Thank you, guys. All right, the next one that we're coming out here, and as y'all know, this is one of my tag team partners. One half of the pain train, also the USA champion. He was also carrying the gold. Everyday work, everyday play, God family. Bearcat Brown, coming by DJ Woods of the Pain Train. Don't fall for free. A tough man's wait for fame before it's free. If you love him, let him know. If you hate him, let him go. Fast can be fun, sometimes you need fun. God is all good, the devil is so real. So listen up, y'all, cause this is how I feel. I'm walking good, I don't blame them. Bearcat Brown and Donner been in a few rough matches. I believe not one is quite as bad as this one, because I think Bear took a little bit to heart last week. They're showing that strength a little bit. And the sportsmanship. Between him and Bear. I don't think it's going to go good for one of them. There you go, playing the game. Don't want to make that Bear mad. Oh, that there's a good one. You'll have to put Bear on the ground. Got him down. 1, 2, 3. Bear just getting a little rest there.
Get him around with these shoulders.
Come on, Bear, power out there.
Come on, Bear.
There you go, Bear, just put a leg right on you. Put him over. I got hold of the leg, he's going to get the thing. Uh-oh. And he crossed over. Great bring back in. He must be lying. Come on, Bear, put it on. Hit the throat. Oh, there goes our referee. Down and out. Poor referee. There he goes, keep it here. There he goes, got him in a chokehold all the way. Go, Frankenstein, get on in there with it, didn't he? Look at him. I think he's going to stop him now.
1, 2, 3.
Get him off that rope, Bill. There you go. Ain't nothing between you but air and opportunity there. You don't want either one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get him out of the corner there, Ralph.
Come on, Bear!
Come on, Bear! Time to bring the play! 2, 3. Come on the play, Bear!
Oh, you're making him mad. You're making him mad. You can see it in his face. He's going to come alive on you. There you go. Made the Bear mad.
5.
You better give him time to cool it down.
7, 8. Come on, Donner, come back to the ring. 1,
Donner waiting his turn.
2,
Let him cool down a little more.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, Donner, come back in. 1, 2. Come on. Corner. Come on, Donner.
Go back to those eyes. Start breaking him out. Oh, he's not a big man there. He goes up over for him now.
Get out, choke. Come on, Donner. Come on, Donner. Come on.
opportunity to put Bear on the ground.
Go, Bear!
He's drop kicking.
We ain't gonna have this. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. All right.
Go, Bear!
He's mad. Get away. You're going to make him mad.
Oh!
I'll tell you what I want. Hey, let's try like this, buddy. TJ's got Donner next week. I want his partner right on in a stretcher match. What you up, Frank? Stretcher match? Ah! Is it okay, Mike? Okay. Mike said it's okay. Bear is going to get a stretcher match with Draycon. Yeah. Play her music. Bearcat down and PJ Wells. The Pain Train. On the 26th, that's going to be set up for, I believe. We're going to have a stretcher match and a casket match in the same night. I think we're ready for another referee. Y'all ready for another round? And it looks like Luscious is going to be the referee of this here match. Lucy! Hey, I heard somebody out in the crowd holler that. What they holler?
I hate Lucy!
Oh, Lucy! All right, go ahead and play the music of first continue on this. And now for his opponent, which I believe this man hasn't been here in quite a while, and y'all are going to like it because he is one of the best wrestlers that I have seen in a long time. Looks like we had a little argument in the race here. Luscious winners! Don't give this cowboy a one for. You know that was here. Oh, okay. Sorry. give that attitude to this man getting in this ring right now. All right, we ready to get this back started? Ring that bell. Let's get this thing underway here. Let's go ahead and try to give him a handshake. Oh. Cowboy driving his team out of here. Oh, everybody had it there. 1, 2. When the boom over the head and Billy was smacked in the face. Oh, working on that leg. He's putting down the next corner. I'm going to get him out of the corner for you there, Rep. Oh, there he goes. Look at the ankle lock over there. There he goes. Put him in it. Oh, he got over the rope. He got to break loose. Oh, let's move it coming back here. Oh, he's got it on that head again. Oh, get the little arm once. Oh, look at it. Referee blind too, when you can't see. Hi there, RD.
Hey, how's it going there?
He's been on my
Hey,
head, right?
you!
That's
right.
He's moving mad. I know. He's an old man. He's showing him right here. He's not going to get away with it. He got him there. He's down. You better count him out here, Ref. Looks like he's giving this young man a workout.
Leonard will.
Oh, he's trying to hold in there. Oh, he found out real quick. Leonard don't care about these married. Wow, he's down. He can't reach that rope now. He don't. He's not bringing way down. Oh, he got him down. There he is. They're down. 1, 2. Oh, we got out of it. He's working his way up.
Bring it down the side, Leonard.
Cowboy giving him a couple arms, 4 arms. Let's go upside the head. That's a long place to work on this. Right there on that shoulder, too. Oh, there goes Chazz. He be choking. Trying to wear old Luscious down. That's going to happen either.
I don't think he will either.
Oh, they tried to distract the referee. Well, the time that the referee can't count.
Cowboys getting best Leonard right now.
Oh, elbow drop. Oh, man, he's going to be strong. Chokehold, right?
I don't think there's any choke on that.
Looks like he's trying to. Leonard ain't going to let it happen, though. Oh, there goes the lock on the head. Oh, don't bring on the page. Look here. Oh, he's got him in. Oh, arm hand. Oh, he got him in a leg lock and arm lock together.
Cowboys gonna have to slap out that there and just tap.
Oh, let's say one of the wheels there. Oh, here he goes. He got him down now. 1, 2. Oh, he's tired out. He got that. Lead him to the back. Like, oh, here he goes another cross body here. 1, 2, almost took it. Now we're going to have to get over and get the hammer. Oh, that was from over here. Oh, Luscious coming back. Here he goes. Oh, he's halfway. Yeah, Cowboy bringing that over in there.
Everyone's really taking to him right now.
Oh, leg drop on that. Boy, that'll knock the head off, make you feel better.
Two count on that.
That's only 2.
Looks like me a little close to the rope.
Oh, look at this here small package roll up there. You go, schoolboy. 1. Oh, he got him here. Get up.
That shoulders is up on that.
Oh! Man, that hurt on that liver, I'm sure. Almost scared over there. Luscious couldn't grab that leg either. Okay. Oh! Here you go. No!